Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will see single inheritance. In single inheritance you have only one base class whose features are inherited in a single derived class. For example, here you have base class A, derived class B. All the members and functions of base class A will be inherited in derived class B in single inheritance. Syntax is your base class remains as it is, whereas while writing the derived class in front of it inside parenthesis you have to give the base class name. We will understand this by example. You have class person which will act as a base class and class employee which will act as derived class. Syntax of base class doesn't change, therefore class person is written as it is. It has constructor inside itself using def keyword preceded by double underscore init followed by double underscore self name and age. Name is initialized to the data member name, age is initialized to data member age, and then you have member function display which is displaying the information of name and age of the person. Click on the cell, run the cell, class person is created. Now we will create a derived class employee which will inherit or use the feature of base class function. So class derived class name, in this case it is employee, in front of it in opening and closing parenthesis colon you have base class name which is person. You write the constructor of derived class def init. It has a parameter self and additional parameters for initializing base class member as well as derived class member. Using super method we create a temporary object of the base class and call the constructor of the base class which is init, and the argument, note here self parameter is not used. Then remaining argument with bs and emp number will be used for initializing the data member self.bs and initializing the data member employee number. It has one more function show which is displaying the information of name, age, basic salary and employee number of employee. Click on the cell, run the cell. You have created derived class employee which is inheriting the feature of base class person. So if you create the object of derived class employee, you have to call the employee constructor. You have to pass 4 arguments in parameter name, age, basic salary and employee number. Name is Arjun, age is 25, basic salary is 10,000 and employee number is 1. So object is created which is E1 which is of the derived class. If we check the content of object E1, dir E1, then you can see it has age, basic salary, name, employee number and display function of the base class and show function of itself, where name and age are from the base class and display is from base class. So using the object of the derived class you can call show function which is of derived class which will show name, age and basic salary and employee number of the employee, or press escape A, E1 dot display. You are accessing the function of the base class which will show name and age only. So indirectly display function was present inside employee class via single inheritance and the data member name and age were also present. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button for more such tech content. See you in the next video.